In survival scenarios, knowing how to repair gear is crucial for comfort and safety. Begin by creating a compact sewing kit with needles, thread, scissors, and patches. Learn basic sewing techniques like stitching and patching to mend tears and holes in clothing and gear. Practice on small repairs before attempting larger projects. Reinforce high-stress areas with extra stitching or patches. Consider using alternative materials like dental floss for durable stitching. With practice, survival sewing can prolong gear lifespan and enhance preparedness.